morning guys! And today is the day na talaga na mag-move out na tayo sa bahay na ito and mag-move in na tayo sa ating bagong bahay. Pero, to be honest with you talaga, hindi ko masyadong mamimiss ang bahay na ito. Of course, I will miss the memories nung magkasama kami for a couple of months dito, nila ate, nila Ishi, nila Maui. Pero, ang bahay na ito I really did not consider na home. Parang medyo uncomfortable para sa akin. Iniisip ko, okay, at least may mas malaki kaming space na pagstayhan habang nandito sila ate. Kasi nga, yung condo, medyo maliit. Kung kami lang nila Ryan, ni Ram, okay lang ang condo. Pero, pagkasama sila ate, hindi masyadong sapat yun, diba? So, finally, now, mag-move out na tayo sa bahay na ito. And hopefully, maging better ang ating sitwasyon doon sa bagong bahay. Someone is hungry, guys. Bigay ni Lola Yaya. Chicken and pancit or bihon, I think this one. Pancit. These are the things that we need to bring there, guys, sa bagong bahay. Very little lang ang natira kasi it's been a couple of days na pakonti-konti nagdadala kami ng mga gamit doon, di ba, nagda-transfer ng mga bagay-bagay so that it's easier now. Excited!
We're moving today.
Yes, we're moving today. But enjoy your food first. Daddy, you eat also? Okay. Maybe put the water bottle here then.
지친 하루 끝문득 들려온 너의 목소리 따뜻한 그 말 조용히 피어난 노란 봄 웃는 네 모습을 보면 괜히 심장이 빨라지고 너랑 걷는
Will it close?
That's probably it.
Need to adjust maybe.
That is better if you keep this thing first. Better if you keep this first.
Yeah. Lakad lang kami ni Ryan, guys. Punta sa bagong bahay. Si Daddy Ram lang ang masakyan kasi wala nang pwedeng upuan. So, are you gonna use this main door? Or at the back? Oh, sa likod doon na idadaan. Diba? Saktong-sakto ang masakyan dito. Okay. I open already the kitchen, yeah.
Yes.
I'll get random. People.
One more trip, then we're good, right, Daddy?
Yes.
Buti na lang, guys, at kami ay paunti-unting naglipat para sa ating official move-in sa ating bagong bahay. Hindi na masyadong mahirap. So cute. Look at this hand. You'll bring all pillows up. Careful. It's difficult to go up, Nana.
Leave one here. Okay?
Yeah. Enough to.
This is my place to lay down.
Huh?
Wait, why don't we... Shouldn't we leave two because mine, of course, have one.
Okay, one more. I need one. No compromise.
How about mommy? Do you want?
I don't need it. It's
Mommy,
okay.
go better want this.
Excuse me. The AC is here, so I'm gonna stay here. Careful. Let's go again, guys. Konti na lang naman ang kukunin. Tapos mga maliliit na bagay lang. O yung malaki pala ay yung cabinet namin. Magkasya kaya dito sa sasakyan. The cabinet will fit, right, Nani? Last time I think we bought as it is in NCC or Lots.
As it is?
Yeah, we did not assemble that one.
I think so. We'll see.
Can we move?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Let's wait.
Hindi masara, guys. Nakaganyan lang siya. Open properly. Konti na lang ang mga kailangan i-arrange, guys. Ito, iaakyat namin. Yan na lang. Tapos yung ibang, hindi naman urgent na i-arrange andun sa naging storage area room natin. Luluto si Ryan ng rice. Sitwasyon ng ating kusina. So, dito yung ating lutuan, guys. And then, hugasan. Lalagyan ko yan ng kortina para mas maganda tingnan. May mga nag-comment previous video, guys, nung nakita nila yung bahay. Sabi nila, lagyan daw namin ng kusina sa loob kasi mahirap daw na nasa labas ang kusina. Pero yun talaga ang rason kung bakit nagustuhan namin ang bahay na ito, guys, kasi nasa labas nga ang kusina. So, hindi magulo dito sa loob ng bahay, mas malaki ang space. Tapos, yung pagluluto, once or twice a day lang naman. Hindi naman talaga most of the time nasa kusina tayo, diba? So, majority of the time, tayo sa living room, ina-enjoy natin or nag-chill tayo sa sala. So, alam niyo yun, mas maganda talaga na malinis tingnan ang bahay. So, okay na okay sa amin, guys, na nasa labas yung kusina. Tapos, pag si Daddy Ram ay bumalik sa kanyang pagninegosyo sa pagbibiryani, so at least mas malaki yung space na pwede niyang galawan. Tapos, may idea din kami na baka bumili kami ng stove stand para ma-separate yung stove sa hugasan area para mas malaki yung space. But we'll see. That will be the next step. Sa ngayon, inaano lang muna natin. Ginagamit yung mga resources na meron tayo. Dahil nga aircon yung living room, pag nagluto tayo dito sa loob, ang buong bahay, maangamoy ulam. Dito actually yung kanilang kusina dati, pero pinarenovate nila ang bahay, tinanggal. Kaya nasa labas. Para walang makapasok na insekto or mga alikabok. This is really a good idea, Daddy. Right?
Yeah.
I didn't even know that there is such thing. Si ate lang ang nag-ano dyan. introduce sa amin.
See? The dust, insects, and nothing will come inside.
Meron din doon sa kitchen area. Ilang araw na kaming naghahakot at nag-organize dito guys sa bagong bahay. Akala ko wala na masyadong gagawin pa. Ang dami pa pala. Buti na lang talaga. Nakapagsimula kami ng medyo maaga. Meron ako mga ganito. Mga organizers. Yung mga kutsara, tinidor, utensils, baso, at saka plato, yung mga panluto. Nasa loob guys. Talagang ang may iwan lang sa kusina sa labas ay yung lutuan. Tsaka kung ano yung mga kailangan namin lalabas. Then pagkatapos naman, ipapasok ulit. Kasi maalikabok. Tapos under construction pa yung kabila din. Hindi dapat na mag-ano tayo ng mga bagay-bagay doon. Mag-iwan. Our chef Ryan started his task. He's the first one who's going to cook here in the new house. Nana?
Yeah.
I was explaining the egg fry how to do it, now he's doing it.
So I already cut it all the onions and green chili. We added little salt. We added now just mix for a while. Then we add the powders. Then again some salt. Salt.
Not yet, it's not yet ready.
Actually, you need to fry a little more than onion, need to fry that.
Until it becomes like kind of what do you call it, darker or something.
Golden.
Translucent. Golden.
See, no. Fire there inside is already hot when your cooking is too hot.
Like
It is
we're
outside, right? Windy. You won't feel cooking. You won't feel the cooking.
It's so nice, it's windy.
See, it's kind of like the sea. If you're inside, you're getting boiled.
Yeah.
Boiled, literally.
Especially that house, Daddy.
Yeah, because in the living room, unlike this one, they don't have AC.
Kainan time. We got pancit and egg curry.
Egg curry for the boy. Egg curry for the boys.
You don't want to eat pancit? I think you like pancit, right? Daddy also like pancit.
Kain tayo, guys.
Kain tayo.
First meal here sa new house.
I did also my first shower.
Yeah, first shower.
Everybody did their first shower.
How is it, Nana? The house?
Very nice. Better than the other one.
But you will miss the memories of
Maui.
Maui to the girl. How do you think?
After when I saw the room that's empty, it reminded me like when we just came, and now we're already going. Like it felt like after I saw everything cleared up in the room, it felt like we came here yesterday.
Yeah.
So sad.
Mommy is busy now to fix the things.
Yeah, but most of the things are already. I have a new hiding spot, but you guys don't know where it is because it's a secret hiding spot.
You be careful with the stairs. You hit your head. It's hard
How do
metal.
you already know?
I know.
Bruh. She has 3,000 IQ. I think she knows because she is my mom.
Of course. So nice to actually, Ryan. You cook this one, right? So good.
Under supervision.
Of Daddy.
The master.
I thought I'm the master. Cooking master. No, Daddy?
You are mastering. I'm master.
Boys chill time. You wanna watch TV na yan? Oh, here's the remote.
What is that channel?
Our channel.
I'm gonna switch to mine.
Set up ko na ang TV na grabe naman kataas. Gusto kasi ni Daddy yung table na yan. Oh, adjust kayong dalawa dyan. Nasa labas kami guys, may mga bibilhin lang. Isa ay curtain rod kasi dun sa may hagdanan meron siyang bintana. Tapos hindi nila nilagyan ng curtain rod. So bibili tayo. Then we'll see kung ano pa yung makikita namin. May mga konti-konting kailangan sa bahay. Hindi naman talaga masyadong marami. Dito kami sa NCC. Kailangan namin ng stool. How much is this? 159. How about that one? Like that. 329.
What are these ones?
Kailangan din namin ng bidet guys kasi walang bidet doon. Magkano ba? 1,400 to 640. What else?
I will take the player, combination player also.
Okay.
Okay? And we check the odds.
Okay.
Yeah, this one, okay?
That's it.
That's it.
Careful, ah. Okay. Perfect. Ang kortinang ito, ang dami ng pinagdaanan sa aming bedroom, doon sa kabilang bahay, then napunta sa, what you call this, living area, then, ngayon dyan, yung isa nasa bedroom namin, pakita ko sa inyo mamaya. Ang nag-iisang kortina natin, guys, mag-order ako sa Shopee ng iba. Good. From India to Philippines. Ang mga pictures na yan, guys. Picture nila Tanya, Tanvi, Arvi, Arush. Why are you picturing? What are you doing, Nana? Uy! Trying to be creative in a funny way. Hide this one. See? There's a dirt. That's the purpose. Hide. Okay. How's the papaya?
Very, 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 very bad.
Very what?
Very good.
Parang sarap.
Masarap.
I miss papaya. May allergy ako dyan, di ba, guys? So, gusto ko yung raw papaya, actually. Ganda naman siya ng ano. TV. Chilling na kami, guys. Ako nag-i-edit ng video. Pahinga na. Bukas ulit. Meron na naman tayong mga kailangan i-organize. Lalo na mga bagay dyan sa loob ng kwarto. Antok na ako, guys. Akyat na kami ni Ryan. Look at the bedroom. Yes. Nice? You like it?
Yeah.
Ito yung kortina, guys. Nalagay natin. Then, ang bed! Oh, diba? Green na green tayo.
This pillow's actually kind of hard. These two pillows are hard, actually.
Yeah. It's okay. It's only for hugging. That's for the head. Oh, diba? You wanna sleep now, Ryan?
Not, I'm going.
Ang cabinets
So
dyan.
spacious.
So spacious, right?
Yeah, like see, like this now I can literally play all my Legos. Like this is such a big space. I can make an entire Lego city here. If I have enough Legos at least.
Yeah. You'll go down?
Yeah.
I'll sleep now. I'm tired. I wanna lay down. Good night. Say good night to guys first.
Bye guys. Like, share, subscribe, like, share. Ring the bell icon. Bye.